Hello everyone, welcome back. In the last class we have completed the exercise 2 in your second chapter. Okay, now we will learn a new concept, that is dividing polynomials. Okay, how can we divide the polynomials? See here, if you want to divide the 25 with the 3, what you will get? The divide, this is the statement to divided equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Yes or no? This is a statement. And if you divide this 25 and 3, what you will get? 8 is the quotient and 1 is your remainder. Yes or no? 8 is the quotient and 1 is your remainder. 3 8s are 24. So 8 is your quotient, remaining 1 is your remainder. Clear? See, and if you divide 20 by 5, what you will get? 5 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. Yes or no? 4 is the quotient and 0 is the remainder. By this, you can conclude that factor of 20 is a multiple of 5. Yes or no? 5 is the multiple of 20. Clear? Clear? Sorry. Next, see, as it is, divide the polynomial here. 3x cube plus x square plus x is there by the monomial x. Okay, by the monomial x you have to divide this polynomial. Okay, how can you divide? See here, 3x cube by x, x square by x, x by x. By this x will cancel, you will get 3x. X is cancelled, you are remaining only 1x. X is cancelled plus 1. Okay, now in fact x is a common factor to each term of 3x cube plus x square plus x. So we can write 3x cube plus x square plus x as x. X into means x common tiste, what you will get? 3x square plus x plus 1 you will get. Okay, that is your answer here. Okay, see one more example here with dividing x. Okay, and the another method to divide the x also there. See here, if you want to divide, the first method is one method, that is plus 1. You have to divide this polynomial to the monomial. Okay, how can you divide? This is one method to divide, and one more method is also there. I will tell you that one also. Okay, from here x will cancel, 2x, x cancel, 1 plus 1 by x you will get by this method. Okay, and the second method is, just see here, 2x square plus x plus 1 divided by x. Okay, now here x is there, here 2x is there. So which number you should multiply to get 2x square? Tell me, which number you should multiply to get 2x square? You should multiply with 2x. Yes or no? X into 2x is 2x square. Okay, x into 2x is 2x square. Now do the subtraction. This will as 0. Now remaining x plus 1 is there. Okay, x plus 1. And here, which number you should multiply with x to get this number? See, x into x plus 1. If you multiply this one, what you will get? Tell me. Or else, sorry, here take x down. So you should multiply plus 1. X into 1 is your x. Yes or no? Now down. Remainder will be 1. By this 2x plus 1. Okay, this is another method to do the division. Clear? 2x plus 1 plus according to your what dividend equal to, how much you will get? X into 2x plus 1 plus 1. This is your statement. X into 2x plus 1, the remainder will be 1 plus 1. Okay, quotient into divisor, dividend into quotient plus remainder. This is how you have to do the second method. Okay, this is your first method and this is your second method. Like this, we'll see next example in your textbook, example 6. Okay, divide 3x square plus x minus 1 by x plus 1. Okay, what you have to do? You have to divide x plus 1 divided by 3x square plus x minus 1. Okay, if you are having the polynomials like this, what you have to do? First, observe here, carefully listen here. The first one is 3x square, right? In your first step, what you have to do? Divide with x. Okay. Now, what is the answer here? 3x. Clear? Now, this 3x should be multiplied here to this. 3x into x plus 1. How much you will get? 3x into x plus 1 is 3x square plus 3x. Yes or no? Write down here 3x square plus 3x. Now do the subtraction. This will cancel. Total, how much you will get? Minus 3x plus x minus 2x. And here what is there? Minus 1 is there. Okay. Now observe here what is there? Minus 2x is there. Take minus 2x divided by x. X will cancel, minus 2. This minus 2 right here, and you should multiply this x plus 1 into minus 2. X plus 1 into minus 2. What you will get? Minus 2x minus 2. Yes or no? Minus 2x minus 2. Write down here. Now do plus this minus 2x plus 2x will cancel. Minus 1 plus 2. You will get as 1. Clear? 1 is your remainder. And this 3x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. Clear? 3x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. Okay, like this you have to do the division of your polynomial. Okay. Next. Next, see example 7. I will tell you examples very clearly. In your exercise problems you have to do by your own. Okay. 2x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1. Okay. This is your question, and you have to divide with what? X minus 1. Okay. You have to divide with x minus 1. Clear? X minus 1, 2x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1. Okay. What is the first term? 2x power 4. Now what you have to do? Divide with x. Okay. You will get as 2x cube. Clear? Now this, write down 2x cube here. What you have to do next? You have to multiply x minus 1 into 2x cube. How much you will get? 2x power 4 minus 2x cube. Yes or no? 2x cube into x is 2x power 4 minus 2x cube. 2x power 4 write down here minus 2x cube. Divided by, do subtraction. This 2 will cancel. Minus 4x cube plus 2x cube minus 2x cube. This minus 3x write down here. Now in the second step, check here what is the first term? Minus 2x cube. Yes or no? Divided by x. Do divided by x. This x will cancel. You will get minus 2x square. Write down this minus 2x square here. Okay. And multiply x minus 1 into minus 2x square. Okay. By this what you will get? X into 2x square is minus 2x cube. Minus into minus is plus 2x square. Okay. Write down here minus 2x cube plus 2x square. Okay. Next, plus and here minus. This minus 2x cube plus 2x cube will cancel. Minus 3x minus 2x square. Okay. So minus 2x square minus 3x, and here minus 1 is there. Okay. Write down like that. Next, here what is there? Minus 2x square is there. Minus 2x square divided by x, you will get minus 2x. Write down this minus 2x here. Okay. And what you have to do? Multiply x minus 1 into minus 2x. What you will get? Minus 2x square plus 2x. Minus 2x square plus 2x. Now plus minus. This 2 will cancel. Minus 5x minus 1. Okay, now again what is here? Minus 5x. Minus 5x divided by x, you will get minus 5. Write down here minus 5 and x minus 1 into minus 5. How much you will get? Minus 5x plus 5. This write down here, minus 5x plus 5. What you will get? Plus minus. This 2 will cancel. Minus 6 is your remainder. Okay, minus 6 is your remainder. Once and twice listen the video carefully, practice these problems very carefully, then only you can understand. Okay, once and twice just listen the video if you are not understanding the problem. Clear? This is how you have to do the division of polynomials. Okay, and see here the quotient is remainder you will get as minus 6, and now the 0 of the polynomial x minus 1 is 1. We know already. You have 0 of the polynomial means you should equate to x minus 1 is equal to 0, then you will get the x equal to 1. Okay, by this they put x equal to 1 in the given polynomial. If you after putting out the 1 value, you will get as remainder minus 6. Okay, you have factor of minus 6, then only that answer is correct. If you get both are equal, then only it will be correct. Okay, that is your example. Now see here remainder theorem. It is a important mark. Okay, what is remainder theorem means? Just see the statement. Let p of x be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. Okay, polynomial with a degree greater than or equal to 1, and let a be any real number. P of x is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. Okay, see by division algorithm we know already, divided into quotient plus remainder. Yes or no? Divided into quotient plus remainder. Now p of x equal to, let what you have to do, let g of x equal to x minus a. Take g of x equal to x minus a. Okay, and this g of x is substituted here. Substitute g of x value here. G of x equal to x minus a into q of x plus r of x. Okay, by this here if you observe the degree of x minus a, it is 1. Yes or no? It is 1. And for q of x is also what? Degree of and the degree of r of x. Okay, this is a one term and this is one term. Okay, r of x is less than the degree of x minus a. Okay, degree of r of x equal to 0. It is the degree of 0. Clear? Why? Because here it is a 1 and here it is a 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. But in r of x it is having a less degree. So just take it as a constant value. Okay, so constant, say k. So for every real value of x, r of x equal to k. Therefore p of x equal to x minus a q into q of x plus r of x equal to k. Substitute here. If x equal to a, put x equal to a అంటే a substitute చేయండి ఈ equation లో. what you will get? p of a equal to a minus a into q of a plus k. a minus a is 0. Finally you are having a k, that is the constant value. And see here it is having your k and p of x equal to k. Therefore by this LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. Clear? This is your remainder theorem. Once go through once, practice. Okay, next example 8. Find the remainder when x cube plus 1 divided by x plus 1. Okay, we know already the x plus 1, 0 of the polynomial of x plus 1 is minus 1. You will get the minus 1. So minus 1 should be here like this, x plus 1 equal to 0, then x equal to minus 1. This x equal to minus 1 substitute here in this polynomial, then you will get the remainder theorem. Okay, next example 9. Check whether x minus 2 is a factor of x cube minus 2x square minus 2x square minus 5x plus 4. this is your given polynomial. To check, just equate to 0, x minus 2 should be equal to 0, then you will get x equal to 2. Okay, these two values substitute in the given polynomial, you will get the factor. Okay, next example 10. Check whether the polynomial p of y is a multiple of 2y plus 1. As you know, see, this is your by 2y plus 1 is nothing but should equate to 0, you will get y equal to minus 2. This y equal to minus 2 substitute in this given polynomial. Okay, then you will get the 0 answer, whatever you are having. Okay, next example 11. If the polynomial ax cube plus 3x square minus 13 and these are the polynomials are divided by x minus 2, leave the same remainder, find the value of a. Okay, take this as p of x and this as q of x. Okay, after that p of x and q of x when divided by x minus 2, leave the remainder. What you will get? Leave the same remainder. Now here if you take x minus 2 equal to 0, then you will get x equal to 2, yes or no? And that 2 value you should substitute in here, p of x and q of x. P of 2 equal to q of 2. Substitute 2 in this polynomial, substitute 2 in this polynomial. Finally you will get the, if you simplify these two, if you equate these two, you will get the value of a. Okay, like this you have to do. See, practice these example problems in your target book and write down these example problems in your classwork. Okay, whatever I taught now, up from dividing the polynomials, dividing the, keep side heading as dividing polynomials, write down these two. Okay, after example write down these two. After example 6, example 7, try to understand the problems and remainder theorem. Example 8, example 9, example 10, after example 11. After completion of that one, practice all your example problems in your target book. Okay, we'll start exercise 3 in your next class. Okay, we'll meet in next class. Thank you. Bye.